Let's talk about how to see calendar on the Apple Watch. To be honest, I would just stick with the built-in calendar app from Apple, even though there are some other options on the App Store, but Google Calendar, for example, is just not available as an app on the App Store. So yeah, I'd stick with the Apple one. So when you get inside the All Apple Watch app view, you can find the calendar application. When you get inside, you can view the events weekly view, monthly, and browse the events and everything in your calendar. Usually the problem is syncing or putting all your events into the Apple Watch calendar. This, however, has to be managed through the iPhone. Naturally, the watch is the extension of your iPhone. So open the settings, go to the apps section, find calendar. Then tap on the accounts and make sure you add your calendar account. It can be Google and even other providers too. So it's pretty versatile. One more thing, in the Watch app on your iPhone, when you get inside the calendar settings, you can choose which calendars from your iPhone are supposed to be visible on the watch. So make sure you choose the proper ones. But that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please leave a like on it and perhaps also subscribe so you'll see more videos like these. Thank you.